So welcome to the Kawali photo project. This is what you see as you enter. And that's the name of the photographers and of course Manjari Chaturvedi, who's conceptualized and curated the show. And as we walk in, this is about the story and what we are covering in the exhibition. And then we walk in further, and the first story is about the Nizamuddin Dargah by Leena Kejriwal. Very vibrant, very exotic black and white images which really depict the mood and the energy of Qawwali at the Dargah. And as you turn the corner, there's a lounge here which has videos playing of Qawwali performances and interviews. This is an image from Amritsar, in a Dargah there. It's called the Dargah Hazrat Hussain Shah Qadri. And the interesting thing about this Dargah is that at the entrance to the Mazar, which of course is a Muslim structure, are temple bells like you'd see in a Hindu temple. And also the other interesting thing is that this Dargah, like a lot of other Dargahs in Punjab, are now looked after by Sikhs. At the Dargah in Jaipur. And of course this is the famous Nizamuddin Dargah. The next story is by Mustafa Qureshi, and this is at Dewa Sharif. And Mustafa has shot in the Dargah and around in the evening, and getting a very lovely sense of the atmosphere there. To my mind, one of the most iconic performance photographs in the show, this one by Mustafa. The third story, again by Mustafa, is at Saifipur. Another very evocative image by him. This is as the mehfil is set and the Qawwali is about to start. And this, as the silsila is finished, completed, and everyone's packed up after the performance. Two more absolutely beautiful images from there. From Saifipur, we go to Punjab, and this is the story done by me, that's Dinesh Khanna. And I followed Ranjan Ali, who's a Qawwali artist based in Verka near Amritsar. And I spent about 3-4 days there, photographing him performing in various dargahs, and also interestingly at home doing riyaz with his shagirs. This is so typically Punjab. The dargah is really decorated with a lot of green and white balloons in this case. And Guruji gets up to start dancing and shower money on the kawal. And very soon after is joined by the entire audience. This, as you can see, is the same dargah where at the mazar's entrance you see those temple bells. And this is the inside of the same mazar. As I mentioned, Ranjan Ali and his troop do the riyaz in this little dargah very close to his house, sitting under this beautiful, tall, ancient Barkat ka ped. The next story is of Ajmer, which again has been photographed by me. But let me just show you a sweep of the gallery from this point. So I was in Ajmer a couple of weeks before the lockdown last year for the Urs, because the Urs is the time when a lot of kawals come from all over the country actually to perform at the dargah. And the reason for doing this as a collage is that I felt that the energy of the place was not just from the kawals, but also from the pilgrims, also the activities in the shops, in the lanes, in the restaurants, which are all around the dargah. And it's like a seamless spiritual kaleidoscope, which you'll see, and which is the reason why I wanted to use these pictures as one large mass with the kawals in the center. Yes, of course, it's about the performance, but they are as much a part of the tapestry there as anyone else is. The next story is by Leena Kejriwal, and this is a female Qawwali singer. Her name is Chanchal Bharti, and you might know that it's very rare that there are women Qawwals, and she's one of the very few, but very well known and a very accomplished artist in her own right. Leena also photographed this group of young girls who are learning to become Qawwals, and they are being given their education in Delhi in Nizamuddin. So these two stories were by Leena Kejriwal again. The next is the Deccan story, which is the Warsi brothers of Hyderabad. And I got to photograph them at home while they have a school where they teach Qawwali at home. And this is them doing riyaz with their shagids. And though the lockdown had just opened, they were gracious enough to come and perform at the dargah in Hyderabad, and I got to photograph them there. Somehow quite reminiscent of the situations I remember seeing in Hindi films from the 40s and 50s. We then come to this story, which again has been shot by me, which is of Basant in Nizamuddin and in Mehroli Dargahs. Basant is a festival which is celebrated with great gusto and fervor, and Qawwali is sung during the day both at Mehrauli and also in Nizamuddin. The yellow color, as you might know, is very much to do with the festival of Basant. This is Mehrauli. Then we have a story by Mustafa again, and he traveled to Fatehpur Sikri, which is a beautiful monument, and Qawwali is performed here every day. And this is very much, Qawwali is very much a part of the experience of being in Fatehpur Sikri. It's really quite stunning seeing just a small troop of, say, 3 or 4 Qawwals sitting in this huge courtyard in the center of Fatehpur Sikri and singing there. Mustafa also photographed Qawwali being performed as resistance music during the entire Shaheen Bagh protests in Delhi. Very evocative, very energetic, very poignant images. And now to the last, but to my mind probably the most important story, where Manjari had asked the Qawwals in small towns and villages who normally get to perform during festivals at dargahs, but during the lockdown didn't have any work, didn't have any source of income. And so she'd asked them to send in their photographs, whether as selfies or get someone to photograph them for her, with the names and the place where they live and where they perform. So this actually is a portrait gallery by Qawwals themselves, not by any other photographers, not by the 3 photographers whose work is shown in this exhibition, but by them themselves. And very appropriately, this is titled, I'm a Qawwal. And the last image is this really wonderful, poignant, sentimental image, I would say, one of my favorites, by Mustafa, of a Qawwal as he leaves the performance, carrying his harmonium late in the night. And this certainly is something which suggests what they must have gone through during the lockdown and the pandemic. They and we all hope that things will be better in the coming months and coming years. And we end here. This is the Dargah in Jaipur. Beautifully kept, beautifully painted, marvelous piece of architecture. Thank you.